Artificial intelligence is strictly bound by the physical constraints of silicon and electricity. A model's operational capability is directly dictated by its parameter count. Because each parameter requires physical hardware memory to store and calculate, engineers are locked in a continuous conflict between the desire for higher intelligence and the physical limits of available compute. This logarithmic scale plots the massive range of modern model sizes. At the far left, the single-digit billions tier features edge models like Llama 2B and Phi 2. These systems require a minimal memory footprint, allowing them to operate highly efficiently on everyday consumer hardware. Further up the curve is the hundreds of billions tier. Models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet and OpenAI o3 Mini balance a high capacity for complex reasoning, such as coding and translation, with a footprint that is optimized for enterprise execution. Finally, at the extreme high end, we find the trillion-parameter frontier giants like Alibaba's QN 3.8 Max and GPT-4. These massive architectures demand immense computing power to run, but they possess the representational capacity to capture highly nuanced, subtle patterns and data. Future AI scaling depends on mapping exactly what these billions of internal variables actually do and why they consume so much physical memory. Parameters are the internal units of a neural network. Once a model finishes its training phase, these numerical values are frozen. They function as internal adjustment dials that constantly route, amplify, or dampen data flowing through the network. Zooming in on a single neural node reveals how this routing works. The first type of parameter controlling the data flow is a weight. Weights function as scalar multipliers on the input connections. A high weight amplifies an incoming signal, indicating that the data is highly important to the final output. A low or zero weight dampens the signal and blocks the connection. The second parameter type is a bias. Biases act as a sensitivity dial. By shifting the internal activation threshold of the node, the bias dictates exactly when the node fires a signal forward, entirely independent of the incoming weights. During the training loop, mathematical algorithms like gradient descent automatically adjust these millions of weights and biases simultaneously. The system continuously tunes the dials to minimize prediction error and then locks them into place. A model's structural intelligence is the coordinated action of these optimized dials. Increasing the parameter count mathematically increases the network's capacity to recognize and retain subtle contextual nuance. Scaling up the parameter count equips a model with millions of additional memory slots. This vast structural space allows the network to store complex contextual patterns, spanning grammar, facts, and logical reasoning. But extreme scale introduces a mathematical hazard, the parametric paradox, commonly known as overfitting. Overfitting is a structural failure caused by supplying a model with an excess of parameters relative to the size and diversity of its training data. Expanding the network too far generates thousands of free dials, with no broad patterns left to learn. Instead of extracting broad logical rules, the model takes a computational shortcut. It utilizes its excess capacity to memorize the training data directly, writing down the exact answers and random noise present in the files.
An overfitted model performs flawlessly in training, but when the parameters are frozen and the system is confronted with new, unseen inference data, it fails catastrophically because it never learned the underlying principles of the information. AI engineers enforce strict scaling laws to prevent this failure. They meticulously calculate data to parameter ratios, forcing the model to compress information and learn general rules. Adding parameters without proportionally scaling the training data destroys a model's ability to generalize. To increase capability safely, the industry has turned to specialized architectures that bypass traditional scaling limits. Standard dense architectures eventually hit a hard physical wall. In a dense network, every single parameter must activate for every word generated. Scaling this architecture to the trillion parameter mark results in linear, unsustainable processing costs. The architectural solution is the mixture of experts, or MOE.
Models like DeepSeek R1 use this design to decouple memory capacity from computational processing costs. The core mechanism of MOE is conditional computation. As an incoming token, a piece of a word, enters the network, a central gating layer dynamically evaluates its specific properties. The router then sends the token only to the specialized expert subnetworks best suited to process it, ignoring the rest of the model. This mechanism creates two distinct scaling metrics. The first is total parameters. DeepSeek R1 contains 671 billion total parameters. This figure represents the model's overall brain capacity and the maximum limit of its representational power. The second metric is active parameters. Because the gating layer selectively activates specific experts, the network utilizes only 37 billion parameters to process a single token. The model executes at the blazing calculation speed of a 37 billion parameter network, while drawing from the massive knowledge base of a 671 billion parameter system. There is a strict hardware catch. The low active parameter count minimizes processing speed and cost, but all 671 billion total parameters must reside in hardware memory simultaneously. Mixture of experts successfully severs the link between intelligence capacity and processing speed. Yet the sheer size of the total parameters means massive enterprise clusters remain a strict prerequisite for hosting. Parameter scale is a complex multivariable optimization problem, balancing structural capacity against finite hardware resources. This split-screen comparison maps the current tiers of execution. On the left, single-digit billion models democratize local execution by running efficiently on standard devices. On the right, massive frontier systems command vast enterprise hardware to push the absolute boundary of machine capability. As those frontier systems scale up, they demand equally massive, pristine datasets to prevent the catastrophic failure of the parametric paradox. Architectures like Mixture of Experts prove that AI advancement relies on structural efficiency rather than raw parameter accumulation. The next generation of machine capability will be defined by how efficiently engineers can dynamically route data through specialized subnetworks. Every leap in artificial intelligence is a victory over the strict physical limits of hardware, memory, and structural mathematics.